Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account without phone number. So simply at first go to your Chrome browser and press on to add. Then you get sign in option. Press on to sign in and you get create account. Press on and you just select for my personal use. Okay, enter the first name, last name, press on next, date of birth, select gender, press on next, username, press on next. Okay, and enter the strong password. If you want to check this password, press on to show password. Press on next. And you just scan this QR code. Press on send SMS. To open, click on to send option and you just wait a few seconds. Okay, so as you can see, need to add recovery email address, or if you want to, press on skip option. Enter our recovery email address, click on to next. Okay, and overall setup, press on next, scroll down, click on to I agree. Okay, oh my god, now finally create a new email address without any phone number and any email address. Press on done. So that's it.